I don't know what the fuck happened up here. They had the whole street shut down. Oh, snap. Oh, homie, how did that happen, Holmes? Damn. All right, we out. So to all my fellow drivers, please, because snow tells no lies, and snow will let you know everything. So to all my fellow drivers, if you gonna pour your pee out from your bottle, at least have the audacity to do it away from the fuel island, because niggas gotta step in this and through this. Now look at this. I gotta do some MacGyver type shit to step around that just to fuel up my motherfucking reefer. Because y'all wanna do disrespectful shit like that. I mean, I do it too. You know what I'm saying? I pee in a bottle, I pour it out, but at least I have the courtesy of where I pour it out. I'm not just gonna pour it out right in front of a fuel island. Come on, bro. Y'all niggas nasty, man. All right, back in the truck, and let's see what this Papa Burger do, though. All right, so the Papa Burger. Look how perfect that look, bro. Damn. From what I saw in the picture, it's a double patty burger. There it is right there. And we finna not even waste no time. We're gonna just bust into it right now. The bun is seasoned just right. Maybe a little too seasoned, but damn, it is a little salty. On the saltier side, but pretty good. You don't even need no ketchup or mustard. Just eat it just like this. Peace. Look at these clouds right by the mountain. Try to zoom in a little closer. That's like end of the world type stuff right there. What up, y'all? It's like I think like 5 in the morning. But I just wanted to show y'all how cold it is out here. Right now I'm in Iowa, way over here in Iowa, and I wanted to show y'all how cold it is out here, bro. Y'all see that? It say 4 degrees outside. It is 4 degrees, bro. Man, what up, y'all? Right now it's 7 a.m. and I'm in Iowa, about to cross in, I think, Illinois. I'm not sure. But sun's about to rise, and it's so cold out here. Let me show y'all how cold it is. As you can see, all the snow on each side of me. But look how cold it says on my dash. Look at this. Y'all see that? It's 1 degree. 1 degree Fahrenheit. I'm not bullshitting. 1 degrees outside, bro. Woo! I thought Wyoming was cold at only 10 degrees. Out here in Iowa is 1 degree outside. What the fuck? Look at this beautiful sunrise look. Look at that. crossing into Illinois from Iowa. And this is the Mississippi River right here. Well, that's what that sign said anyway. I guess this is the Mississippi River. And I'm waiting to see the Welcome to Illinois sign. I don't see it. Oh, there it is right there. I think. Yep. Welcome to Illinois. Yeah. Whoa, daddy. Oh, whoa, daddy. Whoa, daddy. Oh, damn, home. Shit. Oh. Damn, I just passed that small school bus too, bro. I just passed that small school bus, like, what was it? It was like 20 miles ago. That motherfucker passed me full speed. Damn, bro. I hope there wasn't no kids inside that bitch. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? There's another slowdown, another accident. But y'all see that in the distance? Y'all see the skid marks in the snow? Somebody probably I think somebody done flipped over, bro. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get closer. Oh, shit, my nigga. That car, that car flipped over? How the fuck did that even happen? And the occupants are probably still inside, bro. Oh, Lord, pray for them. Oh, Lord, help them. Help them, Father. Please help them, Father. Oh, man. After all them crashes that y'all seen, I made it to my destination safely. Seatbelt on. To Target in Cedar Falls, Iowa. First, bruh, I'm just now leaving this Target. My appointment time was 3:30. I'm just now leaving at 9:45, so that's 3:30, 4:35, 6, 7, 8, 9:30. I've been sitting here 6 hours, bro. And my company, they say anytime that you're sitting at the consignee, anytime after 4 hours, you get detention pay. So I know I'm getting that detention pay for them 2 hours, for sure. But I just wanted to show y'all, I'm still out here in Iowa, and look at how cold it is, bro. It's -2 degrees out here. This snow is not playing no games. Look at this, big piles of snow. It ain't no joke out here, boy. My feet still frozen. I'm trying to defrost them like a motherfucker. Look at this. I got the heat cranked up to the max, bro. To the max. You're not playing out here. Look, it's so cold that it got my tire pressure at 89 degrees. It ain't supposed to be that low. Look, all my tires at like 80 something. They supposed to be between 100 and 125 PSI. So that just go to show you how cold it is out here. They got my tire pressure that low. All right, y'all, I'm out. Peace. 12 midnight. coconut pie. Potato salad. Regular salad. Beef stick. Jelly bellies. And this is what I'm eating right now. Tired shit. Whoa. What the fuck is this, homie? That shit is scary, low-key. Whoa, this is tight. This is a big-ass arcade out here in Nebraska at the truck stop. I might get my game on me, though. Whoa, this shit big as fuck. Damn, homie. This shit big as fuck, bro. Look how big this is. Damn. That shit's stupid big. I'm getting my game on. Yo, they got a life-size predator, bro. This shit crazy. A life-size predator. This nigga, I'm 6 foot, and that's where I'm at. This nigga gotta be like 9 foot tall. Made it to one of my consignees up here at Coca-Cola. Very first time being at Coca-Cola. Let me get one of them Fantas down there, players. Just one pineapple Fanta. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm backed into my doctor. What up, y'all? It's morning time, sun rising, about 7:30 out here in Ohio. Just wanted to get this spectacular view. Camera's not really catching it like I am. Let me see. There it is. Somewhat. Look at that. Sunrise. Beautiful view out here in Oregon. I'm out here again in Oregon. Yeah. Peace. What up, y'all? So, y'all remember when I had the Jason face in my car? Now I put it in the truck right there. So now it's in addition to my pops. Got the Jason head. Show y'all how big it is. Show y'all how big it is. It's about the size of my hand. See? That's fire, huh? It's like a hard plastic. I forgot where I got this from, but yeah, I got it from like a Walgreens like years ago. But you can't say that ain't fire though. That shit look like lifelike, like a motherfucker. Look at that. Jason Voorhees with all his friends down there. Oh yeah, and also I found this card at some truck stop. I think it was like in where was this at? I think it was like in Wyoming somewhere, like a little mom and pop truck stop that had all these different licenses. And then when I seen this one, the Mike Myers license, I was like, oh, gotta get it. I never knew that fool was 6'7", bro. Imagine Mike Myers coming to attack you. This dude is 6'7", 250, bro. I'm 6'2", and like 220. That motherfucker will be like, that nigga be like that much taller than me, bro. Like, damn, homie. I wouldn't even run from that nigga. I'd be so obsessed. I'd be like, bro, can I have your autograph, Holmes? You my favorite serial killer. Alright. Look at that sunset. It looks like a cartoon, like the Boondocks or something. You know what I'm saying? Look like the Boondocks, like drawn out type shit. It's crazy. I tried to do the Boondocks whistle. Don't judge me. Yeah. The Caltech tactical shotgun, homie. The Caltech tactical shotgun. Oh man. Out here in Denver, and just look at these beautiful mountains. Look at these beautiful mountains out here. And I said I'm in Denver. I'm not in Colorado. I'm in Utah. My bad, y'all. I'm in Layton, Utah. So beautiful. I'm out of the truck right now. Just wanted to get that Denver, Colorado mountain. What is it, the Rockies? I think so. But yeah, I'm in, I said Denver, Colorado. I'm in Layton, Utah. I be getting Colorado and Utah mixed up sometimes. Yeah, I'm in Utah, Layton, Utah. About to hit Walmart down there. Park the truck right there. And I'm headed to Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Gotta restock on supplies. Chia. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit y'all with some snow. What's up, y'all? So Donald Trump got me to the point where your boy's stocking up on survival gear. We not playing, bro. We not playing. Just this backpack alone is $62, I think. These Mountain House dinners are like $8 a piece. I got like 4 of them. Cast iron skillet. Got a Sawyer mini. Fruit ration bar. Look at this. Let me show y'all how much this bag costs. I would've got this one, but it's too heavy. It costs, well no, it only costs $32 for this bag. This is gonna be my bug out bag right here. Everybody should have a bug out bag. And pack it to the max with everything you're gonna need. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about, please. Look at all the stuff I got for Shift YouTube. Just these 2 things alone cost $40. That's crazy. I needed 2 carts. That's for my hunting, my game hunting. You know what I'm saying? Like birds and squirrels and shit. Alright. $435 for shift. Alright, y'all, after it's all said and done, spent $500 on shift and $450 just on groceries that I needed for, you know what I'm saying, my everyday wear and tear. You know what I'm saying? Cold as shit out here, boy. Look at my breath. Too cold, too much out. But when I say shift, I'm gonna get into shift in another video. I'm gonna let y'all know what I mean by that shit, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all not getting tired of me showing these same scenes out here, but they just be so beautiful. I just gotta get them every time I come out here. Look how white it is, bro. Of course, everybody wanna pass me when I wanna show these images. Go ahead and pass then, bro. Look at all these people wanna pass me. It wasn't nobody.
Excellent though.
So beautiful
at the top of
out
our
here.
network news I weren't required to listen to. Very painful, I might add. Schumer just called Trump the warm-up act for Stacey Abrams. So he can